Hey, hello, my friends. This is Hillary, and I have a great offer for all of you. I have built something called the Legacy Asset Builder, and this is for entrepreneurs, for professionals, for ambitious people. And this is for you if you want to build generational wealth. It is for you if you are interested in real estate and using insurance to protect your assets. It's for you if you do not want just to have a random investment, but you want a strategy that helps you to invest in the right way. It's for you if you care about your legacy, if you care about ownership, and if you care about protection. It's for you if you want a structure, not just somebody to motivate you. I want to walk with you in your journey. So, what is my core promise to you? I want you to build a system that acquires income producing real estate. And this is something that I have done in Canada after reading the Rich Dad Poor Dad book by Robert Kiyosaki. And I decided to educate myself on how to acquire income producing real estate, and I will share this knowledge with you. I am a mortgage agent, so I know how financing works too, and I can help structure your finances so that you can purchase the real estate either in Canada or the US. I will be able to help you find the financing for that. I will also help you identify the right insurance product that you can use as a wealth creation tool. Really, it is an insurance product that will benefit you while you are still living. It will help you to actually generate income and use it while you are still alive. And then I will also help you learn how to protect your assets from risks. So we have estate planners, we have lawyers, and hopefully we can also create a transfer ready wealth system for you so that you can transfer your wealth to the next generation without diluting it, without paying half of it to the government, since the government of Canada taxes your estate by up to even 50%. So you can imagine you can lose up to $500,000 if your estate is worth $1 million, and that is your hard-earned money. I don't want you to pay the government that money. So what we are going to do, we are going to do all that without just guessing, without chasing trends, and I also don't want you to over leverage blindly. I want you to treat all this, even the insurance, not just like a bill, but it is one of the foundations so that your wealth can transfer from one generation to the next. So how do we do this? So I have created a unique mechanism, and I call it the 3 pillars of your legacy framework. And the first pillar is acquisition. So we want to buy strategic cash flowing real estate. And I emphasize cash flowing because we are not speculating here. We are not buying something and hoping that it is going to grow. No. We are buying real estate strategically. Okay? We also talk about protection. So we acquire and then we protect. How do we protect it? We protect using insurance as a leverage. We also protect ourselves using liquidity, and also we protect our assets using good structures like wills, trusts, and other things that the lawyer and the accountant is going to help us to structure it properly. And finally, we are going to talk about the transfer system, how we can uniquely structure our assets so that we can transfer it and have an impact in the next generation. So really, my friends, it's not just random investment. No, it is something that we do it with a great design, and you're going to use your unique capabilities to create something that works for you using these three pillars: acquiring, transferring, and protecting those assets. So if you join my school group, there are a few things that you're going to get. So the first one is you're going to get a step-by-step legacy roadmap. So that is your own, okay? You create your own legacy roadmap. And then we are going to talk about real estate acquisition models. How do we purchase? How do we structure our mortgages? How do we get financing? And then how do we even make sure that this real estate that we purchased is able to generate enough income so that we can use it to live a life that we desire. And then we are going to talk about insurance strategies that is education based. Okay, there are insurance products that the rich use, and we are going to talk about them. We are going to break them down, see how they are going to actually build your wealth. Guys, insurance should not be just an expense. There are insurance products that are actually investments. Now, we are also going to talk about the deal analysis and walkthroughs. So we're going to analyze deals. We are going to give you real life examples on properties that my clients and I have owned over time, how they are performing. We are also going to talk about asset protection education. So how do we protect your assets? We are going to have live trainings, community deal discussions, case studies, and frameworks. So if you join the school group, you're going to learn a lot. These are things that you will not be taught in school, and hopefully this kind of training is going to help you elevate your investment and create a legacy for your family. So why do you have to wait? Join my school group and let's start the wealth creation process and the wealth creation process. Thank you very much, and see you inside my school group.